Hello, and welcome back. Today we will edit again a picture using Lightroom Mobile. So let's get started. Now go to the Lights panel. Contrast, 16. Highlights, -60. Shadows, 49. Whites, -13. Blacks, 32. Now go to curves and follow these steps. Now go to the color panel. Temp, 8. Tint, 20. Vibrance, 48. Saturation, -26. Go to the grading. Shadows, hue, 210. Saturation, 23. Balance, 17. Highlights, hue, 26. Saturation, 17. And then go to color mix. Red, hue, 19. Saturation, -28. Luminance, -13. Orange, hue, 0. Saturation, -14. Luminance, -10. Yellow, hue, -100. Saturation, -28. Luminance, -19. Green, hue, -29. Saturation, -63. Luminance, -20. Aqua, hue, 100. Saturation, -21. Luminance, 0. Blue, hue, -36. Saturation, -28. Luminance, -23. Purple, hue, -51. Saturation, -69. Luminance, -32. And now go to the Effects panel. Texture, 27. Dehaze, 38. Vignette, -11. Mod point, 35. Feather, 40. And lastly go to Details. Sharpening, 28. Masking, 22. Noise reduction, 26. Contrast, 11. Color noise reduction, 33. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.